such as from the base bits we need a lollipop. From the electronic box we need a rocker switch, a battery holder and a motor bit. And we also need a thin straw with a hook from the pouch. And also we need a beaker and the stand. So these are the main materials we need to make the tornado maker. So we'll start from the stand. You can refer the basic section from the book to make the stand. Now let's start to make the tornado maker. First we need this motor bit and the thin straw. Now let's insert the thin straw to the motor bit. And take the lollipop and insert the motor bit from the back. Now we have inserted the motor bit to the lollipop from the back. So now let's take the rocker switch and the battery holder. First let's connect the rocker switch to the motor. Always remember that the holes and the pins are matching. Now let's connect the rocker switch to the battery holder. Now let's take the multi-pop stand and take the beaker filled with water and place it in the stand. And let's take the battery holder and place this also in here. Let's make the tornado maker. Hold the lollipop in one hand and the rocker switch in another hand and place it into the water and make sure the battery is on and on the rocker switch.